Hi guys, my name is Shayla and I'll be giving you a tour of our film room, so let's head inside. Okay, so now we're inside the film room. We have students here just working on their scripts and editing their videos. There are many computers. This is the front of our room. We have our calendar and our TV. Over here is more learning areas. As you can see, my friend is editing her video, and so is my other friend. And now we're heading to the back. So now we're in the storage room. There are SD cards, batteries over here. Right here are the tripods, and we have our cameras. Okay, so walking out of the storage room, we have our studio right here. This is where we film our CVTV newscasting every morning. Our green screen, these are comfortable couches. And as you can see here, there's 3 big cameras to film different angles of our anchors. Our teleprompters, which is where they read their scripts. And yeah, that is the studio. Heading out of our studio, now we're going to go into our control room. Hi. So in here is where we add our graphics to our videos of the newscasting and stuff. There's different TVs and different keyboards, and it's very technical in here and stuff. I usually don't go in here, but I know my friends do and they really like this job. Anyways, that is the end of our tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and bye!